I just took this Triumph for a ride, test ride. I deliberately kept the RPMs low. I deliberately kept the speed low, running at first, second, third. Um, and then finally, when I got confident with the bike, I wrapped on it really good. All the shifting is great. The performance off of idle is great. There's absolutely no hesitancy between the gears. This bike runs like a top. And I've ridden a lot of bikes. Now, I will now give you the corollary to that. I wouldn't ride this bike another mile if you paid me. The front end is loose as a goose. These handlebars are so stupid, it made me feel like the front end was wobbly. And the front end might be well, it might be just too loose. But first of all, fix these, get rid of this. Tighten this bike up, and then we'll double check the front end and make sure that the tire is full of air. We think it is. We'd love double that. But there's something wrong with this bike from here forward. Now, on top of that, I will say to you, to the world, this is one of the hardest clutches I've ever worked with. It's very, very hard to pull, and you shouldn't have to do that. And I say, amen, amen, I say unto you, we should be allowed to go into that primary and find out what's wrong with that clutch. And I don't care if it's brand new. Something's not right. This should be an easy clutch to pull, and it's not. So there's something in that clutch that just isn't right. Other than that, I'll tell you what, the bike runs good. And that front end has to be tightened up. I think we should get in here and put the oversized washers in here and defeat this rubber crap. Double check the alignment and the looseness of the triple tree, and go into the clutch and make it work better. That's the result of my test ride. Okay?